Welcome to 117 Middleton Place. This beautifully updated home comes with a fantastic outdoor living space. A two-story foyer leads to the open floor plan with beautiful wood flooring in the main living areas. This flexible floor plan includes 5 bedrooms. On the main level, you have a living room, a dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a pantry, beautiful granite counters, stainless appliances. You have a lovely dining room and a little sitting area here as you come into the home. You also have a guest bedroom with a full bath on this level. Perfect for visiting family. Upstairs you overlook the foyer. There's a bonus room with French doors. This is a great space to hang out or play or watch movies. The owner's suite is oversized with an area for sitting or office space. It also has an oversized bathroom, and just off of this bathroom is a large oversized closet for storage. The split bedroom plan upstairs features other secondary rooms with large closets. You have plenty of space for your family, visitors, whatever your needs are. You have rooms for everyone in this house. A convenient hall bath, outdoor sitting area, a great area to cook, plenty of room to play. The pergola gives some shade to the sitting area, and there is an outdoor fire pit. There's a community playground, and in the summer you can enjoy the pool and the splash area. Some of the neighborhood amenities of Morrison Plantation are a dog area with some apparatus for them to play on, beautiful green space, a clubhouse. The community also has tennis courts and a basketball court for your recreation needs. This is Tammy Fox with Keller Williams and the Temple team.